So I'm going to show you a quick video about how to use Edpuzzle if you'd like to. First of all, go to Edpuzzle. Just do edpuzzle.com. You don't need the rest of this. This is my link, my personal link. When you get there, just log in with Google. You all have Google accounts. It should get you in there no problem. Go ahead and pause this video if you need some time to do that. Maybe open another tab so you can do this along with me. Right now I am logged in as me, and the first thing I know I would like to do is add a video. So I'm going to click on here where it says content. And you can see I have a whole bunch of different videos that I've already added, and it saves them. I mean, these are the ones I did last year. Now, several of the videos we've uploaded are ones we've created ourselves for notes, but you can take from any content area on the web, well, not any, but YouTube, Khan Academy, National Geographic or TED Talks right along the left side. I often take from YouTube. And in YouTube, I already knew which video I wanted. I knew, remember the video I showed you today, the Navy SEALs video. So what I do is I highlight the title so I can get the exact title in and it can find it easier. Type it into the bar, paste it anyway, and it comes right up. I wanted the shorter video, so what I'm going to do is click edit because this is the one I want to use. You'll notice once it comes up, it gives you a whole bunch of options. The first one is, do I need to crop it? And there are many videos that you will want to crop. Generally speaking, if you are making students watch a video on their own, it really shouldn't be more than 10 minutes. Try to keep it as short as possible because we lose them at some point. This video is only like 1:42, so I'm not going to crop it. The next one is audio track. This means that you need to record over the entire video, excuse me, which we are also not going to use today. The next one is audio notes. And if you watched the video today that I already created, in the very beginning of the video, I just recorded that this was a great video. So what I could do is, when I'm ready to record, if I want to put my voice in over something, you just simply click, make sure this is highlighted, the audio notes, and then you'll notice at the bottom a microphone pops up. Click the microphone, and then you can record over it. I can just say, oh, this is a great video, and then you pause it, and you're done. You can do this as many times as you want. Just keep playing the video, and maybe I want to make another audio recording here. Love this message. I want to watch this again and again. It makes me want to make my bed. Something like that. Now I have 2 recordings in there. You can do this as many times as you want. And when you're done with that, the next option is to add quizzes into your video. And this is the one I use the most because this makes the videos interactive. I can take this and put it anywhere I want. And when you click it, a prompt, a new window pops up. And it allows me open-ended questions, multiple choice questions, or just commentary that I can make. Most of the time I use multiple choice, and you just type in a question. Why should we make our beds? I have all caps just because I think it's easier to read. And then the first one you type in is going to be the answer. You can decide, no, I don't want that to be the first thing, so this is not my answer. I'm going to just type in because it's fun. And that's not our answer. But I want you to understand, too, that this is the best part, feedback. I can immediately give feedback to the kids, say, no, not the answer. Or you can even explain why. Then let's make my next choice the correct answer. I just click the green check, if you notice that. Again, this would be the wrong answer. Green check is the correct answer. It inspires, wait, what was my question? Why should we make our bed? It inspires us to do other tasks. And my feedback could be, yes. Now, once I'm done with that, I hit save. And it lets me review. It says, why should we make our beds? Because it is fun. Here's my feedback. No, not the answer. It inspires us to do other tasks. Yes, okay, I think it's decent. And we're going to hit continue. And continue again. And then it continues, and you can decide where you want to put your next question, if at all. You can add one, you can add throughout. Now remember, every time you add a question, it adds time onto your video. That's the only problem. But it really is good to point out and help kids focus on what your important concepts are in these videos that they're watching. Okay, when I'm done with this, I'm going to hit save. It automatically saves, but I always do it just at the end just to make sure. And then I hit finish. Now, if you create a class in Edpuzzle, which I do plan to do this year so I can check their results, you would hit assign class, but I'm not going to. But you can see if I wanted to, here's my 7th period class, and I can assign it to my entire class. I don't want to do that because I want to upload it to Schoology. So what I hit is public links. Now I love to embed. You can include this as a link and just copy the link. I don't do that. I copy the embedded code. And it says embed this video on your LMS, so I can just copy the link. Now I'm going to go back to Schoology, and I hit do you see I'm in a page. I'm in a new page on Schoology. And in this new page, if I want to embed the video, I have to hit this dot here, and it says switch to HTML. This is the best way to embed these Edpuzzle videos. And I just right click and hit paste. There it is. Now you can choose to post this inline or have it open a new page. In this case, I'm going to have it open a new page, and I'm going to hit create. And it might take a few minutes, but there it is. There is my Edpuzzle. Now, I do want you to notice that sometimes because of all this extra stuff at the bottom, it's harder for kids to see, especially if you have writing in your videos. But there is a little button there, and it makes it full screen, and it makes it great for kids to watch. I hope this helped.